Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something simple yet super useful: how to change the background color on your Outlook emails in 2025. With Microsoft's constant updates, Outlook has gotten even more customizable, allowing you to personalize your emails for a professional or fun look. Whether you're sprucing up work correspondence or adding a personal touch, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of Outlook. Head over to the Microsoft Store or update through the app if needed. Once you're all set, open Outlook and start a new email. You'll see the familiar Compose window. Click on the Format Text tab at the top of the screen. This is where the magic happens in 2025's updated interface. Next, look for the Background section in the toolbar. It's usually right next to the font and color options. Click on it, and a color palette will pop up. Here, you can choose from preset colors or even use the custom color picker for something more unique. Select your desired shade, and watch as it applies to your email background instantly. Don't forget to preview it to ensure it looks great on different devices. One thing to keep in mind: if you're sending emails to clients or colleagues, stick to neutral colors to maintain a professional vibe. Think soft grays or blues instead of neon pinks. Also, remember that not all email clients support custom backgrounds perfectly, so test it out before hitting send. Once you're happy with your selection, go ahead and compose your message as usual. Hit send, and voila! Your email now stands out with that custom background. This feature is a fantastic way to boost your productivity and creativity in 2025's Outlook. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.